Today we're bringing you 12 must-have items when traveling with a dog. Number 1. Woiho Small Dog Car Seat. A neat product for traveling with your furry friend. Encased in an airtight seal, this new and improved version is super comfy and easy to use. Boasting wipeable, plush cushions and robust construction, your furry friend rides in style. Adjustable straps securely fasten it over your car's center console, while a leash ensures safety. Effortless installation instantly transforms your vehicle into a cozy haven for your pup. With its multifunctional design and easy cleaning, watch your pet lounge or sit up comfortably, keeping distractions at bay. Spoil your pet on the go and experience unforgettable adventures together. Upgrade your travels today. We've made it easy for you to find all amazing products. Get the product links below to save you time searching online. Plus, we've sorted for top quality and prices so you can spend more time playing with your pup. Number 2. Backseat extender for dogs. Enter the City Chase dog car seat cover, a game changer for pet owners seeking to maintain the cleanliness and integrity of their car interiors. This rugged yet chic cover serves as a barrier, protecting your car seats from the inevitable messes that come with pet ownership. Just got your first car and want to keep it looking spick and span? Maybe your furry friend sheds like crazy. This cover is your new best friend. Crafted from robust canvas, it not only withstands the wear and tear of daily use, but also adds a touch of style to your car interior. With its thoughtful design, featuring convenient pouches and secure clips, your pet's safety is prioritized during travel. What's more, its versatile configuration options ensure a snug fit in any vehicle, from compact cars to SUVs. Whether you're safeguarding against accidents or simply ensuring your pet's comfort on the road, this cover delivers on all fronts. Say goodbye to the stress of dealing with pet-related messes in your car and welcome stress-free travel with the City Chase dog car seat cover by your side. Number 3. Mighty Paw Dog Car Safety Belt. Experience ultimate pet safety with this amazing safety belt. Engineered for top-notch security, it attaches directly to your vehicle's frame using latch bars, ensuring optimal protection for your furry companion. Unlike other systems, this belt features a secure hook and aviation-grade aluminum carabiner, providing peace of mind in any situation. Plus, adjustable tri-glide attachment and tangle-free design guarantee comfort and freedom of movement. Crafted from weatherproof nylon and all-metal hardware, it's built to last for years. Enjoy unmatched convenience with easy installation and removal, saving you time and hassle. Trust Mighty Paw for unparalleled safety and reliability on the road. Number 4. Foldable dog stairs for large dogs. Discover this must-have accessory for pet owners with large or senior dogs. This foldable dog stairs is designed to provide safe and convenient entry into SUVs and trucks. The compact yet robust solution is a game-changer for pet mobility. Boasting non-slip paw print coatings and a foam handle, it prioritizes your pet's safety by ensuring secure footing and easy handling. With an impressive 150 pounds weight capacity, it accommodates dogs of various sizes, making it versatile for use with different car doors. Backed by a year of quality assurance and round-the-clock customer service, it offers peace of mind to pet owners. Setting up and collapsing these stairs is straightforward, making it ideal for injured pets or hassle-free travel. Lightweight yet reliable, it's designed to withstand daily use and provide long-lasting durability. Whether you're embarking on a road trip or simply need assistance for your furry friend, the foldable dog stairs are an essential accessory for pet owners on the move. Say goodbye to lifting heavy dogs and hello to effortless mobility with this creative solution. Number 5. Dog car barriers. Looking to secure your furry co-pilot during rides? Enter Gear's Barrier Net, a quirky adventure in installation. From deciphering instructions to unexpected beer breaks, this journey was as wild as our dog's spirit. The plastic brackets and wing nuts might test your patience, but the wood reinforcement hack proved genius. Despite the sprinkling rain and bird symphony, we conquered the setup, achieving a snug fit in our 4Runner. This DIY solution guarantees safety for our canine companions, albeit with a touch of DIY finesse. Gear's Barrier Net, a rugged companion for your adventurous fur baby. Cheers to safer travels. Number 6. Arca Pet Cat and Dog First Aid Kit. Hoping never to use it, this Lumi First Aid Kit is a lifesaver. With all essentials neatly packed, it's a must-have for furry camping adventures. The sturdy case, complete with a hard zipper, arrived sealed and ready. Whether you're a pet sitter or dog walker, this kit is a vital companion. Recently, a puppy emergency tested its mettle, and it delivered. From thermometers to tick removers, it's a comprehensive solution for pet safety. Offering peace of mind in emergencies, this kit earns a spot in every pet owner's arsenal. Number 7. Tractive Dog XL. For dog owners who prioritize safety during off-leash adventures, the Tractive XL GPS tracker is a game changer. Designed for dogs over 50 pounds, its robust build and extended battery life provide peace of mind. With easy collar attachment and waterproof casing, it's ideal for outdoor escapades. The live tracking feature ensures real-time monitoring, while health insights promote overall well-being. Despite requiring a subscription, its global coverage and smart alerts make it indispensable. Although slightly bulky, its reliability surpasses other trackers. For proactive pet parents seeking top-tier security, the Tractive XL is a worthwhile investment. Number 8. Adaptal Spray. Discover the Adaptal range, addressing stress and anxiety in dogs with canine-appeasing pheromones. Available in collars, sprays, and diffusers, it replicates a calming effect. The collar provides month-long relief, while the spray suits short-term needs. Diffusers cover larger areas for continuous comfort, ideal for fear-based issues like storms and fireworks, separation anxiety, and introducing new pets. It complements tools like thundershirts and aids in travel. While not a cure-all, Adaptal offers significant support for dog anxiety, creating a more serene environment. Number 9. Malsi Pre-Dog Water Bottle. Ditch the bulky bowl struggles and wasted water. Ever deal with a tipped-over bowl, sloshing water all over your car on a road trip? The Malsi Pre-Portable Dog Bowl eliminates that mess with its leak-proof construction. This 19-ounce capacity bowl is designed for convenience, featuring a dedicated compartment for easy access and preventing spills. And it's not just for pups. The one-button operation makes it suitable for humans, too. Durable materials and a sleek, lightweight design make it perfect for hikes, road trips, or park visits, keeping your furry friend refreshed and you stress-free. Number 10. Winbait 2-piece car door protector. Upgrade your car's protection with this premium quality 2-piece car door protectors, designed to safeguard your vehicle while providing added convenience. Each protector features a durable construction of high-quality nylon and PVC-free material, ensuring resistance against scratches and bites, while maintaining a soft surface for your pet's comfort. With dimensions of 29.50 inches in width by 20.47 inches in length, these protectors are compatible with most standard cars, trucks, and SUVs. The inclusion of handy pockets allows for easy organization and storage of essentials. Furthermore, these protectors are waterproof and machine washable, simplifying maintenance. Installation is super easy, offering 3 convenient options. Insert tabs into the window gap, use 3M glue for a secure hold without leaving any trace upon removal, or attach suction cups to the window. With quick and hassle-free installation that takes just 60 seconds, you'll be ready to hit the road with peace of mind. Enjoy the freedom to explore scenic routes with your furry companions while ensuring your vehicle remains pristine and protected. Number 11. Waggle RV Pet Safety Monitor. This is a must-have pet safety device for pet owners hitting the road. This creative gadget monitors temperature, humidity, and power loss in your RV, ensuring your furry friend stays safe in any situation. And here's the kicker. It's not a paid endorsement, it's genuine feedback. The Waggle provides peace of mind without the worry of sponsored bias. Picture this. You're out exploring, and you suddenly realize your RV lost power. No need to panic. Waggle's got you covered. Its power loss warning alerts you, so you can swiftly check on your pet. But that's not all. It also tracks humidity and temperature, offering real-time updates via the user-friendly app. Installation is a breeze, with multiple mounting options to suit your preference. Plus, its versatility extends beyond RVs. It's perfect for safeguarding pets and vehicles too. And with flexible subscription plans, you're in control. So if you're all about keeping your furry friends safe on the road, Waggle is your go-to companion. Visit their website for more details and make every journey worry-free. And for our final product, we're excited to introduce the game changer for incessant barking, the 2024 release NPS Alpha Dog Bark Deterrent Device. This remote-controlled device effectively deters barking with a harmless jolt, audible only to dogs. Easy to use, it's a quick fix for doorbell-induced chaos or unwelcome guest barking. It is safe and efficient. It doesn't harm pets but provides instant relief from the noise. You can place one on each floor, ensuring peace throughout the house. Highly recommended for any dog owner dealing with excessive barking.
Then I used it when he was pulling a little too much, and then when he was picking up foreign objects from the ground.
Good boy.
This product has honestly improved our lives so much.
Go get one now.
Happy travels with your furry travel buddy. Let us know in the comments which travel accessory you think will make the biggest difference on your next trip.